To make a recall button and recall area, first make an object. This will be the area for the recall. Change the texture to trigger. I mean, you don't have to do it, but trigger, I use it because it's invisible. I'll make it fit. This will be the recall area. So when the player is inside, they will get recall. Now, press Ctrl T. Make it trigger teleport. Click apply. Name it like so I will build a climb here, so climb recall. This can be anything. Close it. Next, make an entity. Double click on it. Make it info teleport destination. Click apply. Name it whatever you want. I'm gonna make it climb recall destination. Click apply. Close it. Go back to the area. Double click. Go to remote destination. Name the destination name. Climb recall destination. I named it so it will be easier. Click apply. Now make it start disabled. Yes. Click apply. Next, make a button. This will be the recall button. This can be any texture. I'm just gonna use a red texture. Now go to your button, select it, press Ctrl T. This will pop up. Make it func button. Click apply. Go to outputs. Press add. Press, so when you press it, it will recall it. Target name. This will be the area. Climb recall is area name. Enable. And add another one. This. Pressed. Climb recall, the area. Disable. And make 0.01 second delay. So it will disable after 0.01 second. Click apply. Now you should be good to go.
Move it!
Now when you press it, yeah, it recalls. When you press it, it recalls.